understand it.
Good life. Better than the life I live when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. Now my grandmama ain't the only girl calling me baby. And if you're feeling me now, then put your hands up in the sky and let me hear you say,
I'm good. Feel my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where it starts. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
That open door, I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
Promises, and I still feel I'm so wasted on myself. Promises, and I still feel I'm so wasted on myself.
In the city of Berlin, in the city of good old wax, in the city of Compton, we keep it rocking, we keep it rocking.
so I put my faith in something unknown. I'm living on such sweet loving, but I'm tired of home with nothing to hold. I'm living on such sweet loving. know him? How long will it take till your faith is broken? Tell me how long will you wait for the door to open? Oh, I know, you never really know. I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard of? Closing a damn door, no. It's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of pointed rationality. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of? Closing a damn door, no. It's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of